Hello.
Hello?
No, come here so they can see your beautiful face. You have to get down. Oh, it's the boy thing! They love seeing you, honey. You shouldn't be shy on my channel. Oh! Oh! I got the best delivery! Okay guys, so I'm looking all sorts of crazy right now, but I just wanted to quickly jump on camera and unbox this stuff before I go and get my nails done, because I didn't want to risk having to take this all out of the packaging once I've had my nails freshly done. So when you watch this video, they're starting off purple and I'm starting off looking crazy, and then when I come back, they'll be a different color and I'll be dressed. So sorry about the weird intro into this video. I'm just trying to maximize the time I have in my day, because yeah, you know, just trying to be productive. So I'm going to quickly unbox this amazingness. If you guys are familiar with my content, my videos, you probably already know what this logo means. This is some more Vanity Collections acrylic storage, and I'm so excited to unbox these goodies and show you what I got and set them all up and everything. So if you guys would like to come along for the ride, then simply keep on watching. Okay guys, so this here is the Vanity Collections brand new crystal cosmetic cube, and it has crystal handles on all the drawers. Oh, I'm so excited. It's massive. It is so big. So everything comes obviously packaged so well. Oh my gosh, that's one thing with Vanity Collections. Like, you don't have to worry about your things getting damaged in transit because everything is packed so well. And I love the fact that what they've done with the little Diamante crystal knobs for the drawers is they're actually attached with the crystal on the inside of the drawer, so they're not going to get banged up or anything like that in transit. And then all the acrylic pieces always come cling wrapped, whatever you call it, so that prevents like any scratching or anything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and unwrap this and pop the knobs on the right way, and I'm just going to pop some music back on while I do it. I just have to tell you guys like the weirdest thing. So one thing I notice whenever I get like acrylic organizers and stuff in the mail, I don't know whether it's like the plastic or the acrylic, but it reminds me of calamine lotion, which reminds me of being a little kid, like when you used to get mosquito bites and they'd put calamine lotion on them. So random, but just have to tell you guys that. So I'll quickly just bring this up close so you guys can see. So as you guys can see, the crystal knobs, they're on the inside of the actual acrylic holder. So I'm just going to quickly switch them all around the other way. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's massive. Like, you guys can see in comparison to my body, like how big it is. It's huge. Okie dokie, so I've got all of the crystal knobs on, as you guys can see. That's what they look like there. The reflection might be a little bit bright on there, but that is them. They look so beautiful. They look super bougie, and I feel like in a beauty room, like, isn't that what you want? Bougie. So just totally matches my beauty room aesthetic. I'm obsessed. So that's the drawers. Now I have all the felt trays just here in this delivery. So they're like a really nice light coloured grey, but I think I might actually open this other box first, and then I'll show you guys the trays when I'm actually organising. So I personally have quite a small jewellery collection, so I probably won't be able to use all the trays and fill them up, but hey, at least I've got them there, so if it expands, I've got the extra trays. But you could also add things like sunglasses and other sort of accessory pieces in the trays if you wanted to, or if you guys have like a really large jewellery collection, then you can obviously use a whole entire unit just for jewellery. You guys all know makeup storage is like my #1 thing, so I'm sure you guys can guess that it'll most definitely be filled with makeup probably. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is the brush stand. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is a brush stand. So this top bit here, it actually has a little Diamante draw knob, or knob. I feel so weird saying knob. Get your mind out of the gutter. But it has the little crystal knob like it does on the actual cube. And when you open this, you pop all your brushes in here, and this lid obviously helps to keep all the dust and everything off your brushes. Then you have a little drawer at the bottom, which I think I'm going to put my beauty blenders in the bottom drawer. I feel like that's the most perfect spot for them. So I can do brushes, beauty blenders, and maybe like some setting sprays or foundations in the front. Okay, my loves, so I am just going to, I might as well actually sit like this. But I'm just going to go dry my hair, get dressed, go get my nails done. Then I'm going to come back and get stuck in to organizing this. I'll show you the trays and everything. Oh, I'm just so excited. You guys know I get so happy over makeup organization. Okay guys, I am back. I've got my nails freshly done. I just got pink, nothing over the top, just some nice pink nails. And I'm in my camo, so means business. If you guys are wondering, this little tracksuit is from Pretty Little Thing. But now I'm just going to unbox these trays, and yeah, you can use them for like jewelry and accessories. So I'm just going to open them up and see what they look like. Okay, so we've got a bunch of different trays. So as you guys can see, they're all designed for different things. So this one is actually for rings. So you insert your rings in all the little lines there in this particular tray. So if you guys have a lot of rings, you're going to get plenty of storage with that tray, that's for sure. Then next up you have these trays, which will be perfect for things like earrings and smaller pieces of jewelry. That's what I would put in here anyway, probably earrings I would think. You've got another one that's the same configuration. Then we also have this tray, which is just, as you guys can see, a blank tray. It has no dividers, so good for things like watches and maybe even sunglasses or other larger accessories. Then we have another one that has like a grid pattern. I would put bangles in here personally. I think it would be like the most perfect size for all of my bangles and bracelets and stuff. So that's another little handy one. And then last but certainly not least, this one here is for necklaces. So as you guys can see, it has the little things at the top where you can attach the necklace so that it can just hang down in the actual tray, which is super handy. So I think for today's video, I just want to organize my makeup. So I'm going to pop the jewelry trays aside. And if you guys want to see what they look like when they're all set up, then make sure you're following me over on Instagram, and then I'll do a post once I have these all set up. But today we're just going to stick to makeup, I think, because I just want to get my vanity all clean and get this all set up beautifully. So let's do that now. Now, for anyone wondering, this is a Dyson cordless vacuum. Whenever I film videos and people see me using my little cordless vacuum, they're always like, what is that? It is just a Dyson cordless, but these are absolutely incredible. If you guys don't have a Dyson, you should get one. They are an amazing vacuum, and this comes with like a normal floor attachment and stuff because I have hard floors, so it's perfect on my hard floors. And it also makes cleaning like my vanity and everything so easy because it's got all these different attachments, and it's just easy to pick up dust and all that sort of stuff off my vanity and clean out my drawers and everything. Okay, so I think I'm going to pop my cube on the right hand side of my vanity. So I'm going going to put all of my eyeshadow brushes in the right one. I'll put my large like powder and face brushes in the middle one, and I'll pop all my other smaller face brushes in the left one. Okay guys, so here it is in all its glory, all set up. So in the top drawer, I just popped some of my favorite packaged lashes just because they're too beautiful to be locked away in a drawer, and that's what I like about acrylic storage. I feel like if you have products that are beautiful enough that you want seen, then it makes sense to have them displayed in acrylic organizers or acrylic cubes like this. So I'm so excited to finally have this in my collection. Now this is my concealer drawer. As you guys can see, I've been stocking up on some different concealers, and I think I'm going to put my favorite lip products in the back as well, whatever I reach for the most. These drawers are really deep, so don't let the fact that they're not full deceive you, because they go right back. They're actually so deep, it's crazy. This is like one of the biggest cosmetic cubes I've seen actually. Then in this drawer, I have some cream contouring products. So I just have my Fenty Beauty sticks. I have my Nude Stick, Clinique, and some Estee Lauder in there. Then in this drawer, it's pretty much empty. I just have some of my Fenty Beauty compacts in there. Then I've got some Anastasia goodies in here. I've got my Amrezy Highlight, my Modern Renaissance, and my Soft Glam. As you guys can see, super deep drawers, so it'll fit palettes, it'll fit compacts, it'll fit anything. And then what's great is this really big bottom drawer that's nice and deep. It fits like all of my powders, like I was talking about before. I have a bit of a hard time getting these to fit in like the normal dividers, so this is perfect for that. So this will definitely be my powder drawer, and also my hangover spray doesn't fit in my little dividers or inside these chest drawers, so that fits in there perfectly now. And it looks so lovely. It just looks so aesthetically pleasing on my dresser, and I'm really excited to have this in my collection now as well. I think it is just perfect. Okay, so here is the brush holder. This is just such a gorgeous piece as well. Not only does it just store makeup brushes so beautifully, like they look so bougie and pretty in this, but it just keeps them nice and dust free. I feel like it's such a good idea because often I have like multiple brushes that are clean and they could sit there for a month before they get used, and before they were definitely getting dusty. I 110% noticed that. So as soon as I realized Vanity Collections was coming out with this particular little piece, I just knew I had to have it because it's awesome. And if you guys are like me, I actually have a dust allergy, so I really don't want dust on anything or anywhere, especially something I'm putting on my face. So this is just perfect. It just makes total sense, and it's such a handy little gadget. So I decided just to put my most used little face powders in the middle here, just because I thought it made sense. They fit perfectly. I did have a few foundations sitting in this, but as you guys know, I have my little foundation stand just here, so I figured, no, I'll keep that there with my foundations, and I'll just put the compacts there. What I would recommend with this particular one is you just need to make sure whatever you put in front of it isn't taller than where the lid opens. Otherwise, you'll have to actually physically take things off and on when you want to open it. So I wouldn't recommend putting your setting sprays or anything like that. See how you'd have to remove it before you could open it. So I just would keep it to foundations that are short enough, or compacts I think work perfectly in that. Then down the very bottom, I just thought it made sense to put all of my Sigma 3D HD blenders in here. I just thought since my brushes are in the top, I should just keep my sponges in the bottom so it's all in one place, and it just makes total sense. So this is just another beautiful little piece, and I just think my vanity is looking like goals right now, not gonna lie, kind of obsessed with it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of the new pieces. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the new goodies from Vanity Collections and just sort of chilling out with me organising makeup. I always just have so much fun organising makeup, so it makes me really happy that you guys seem to like keep requesting these types of videos. So if you guys want to see more of them, I'll happily keep doing them. I am going to film my 2018 makeup collection for you guys really soon, so if you're keen for that, make sure you let me know and I'll try and get it done sooner rather than later. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be talking to you all really soon. Bye!